What's going on? Back at you with another YouTube football video on breaking news. The NFL is turning Deshaun Watson suspension into a kangaroo court. What do I mean by that? I mean that they are appealing his 6-game suspension. And the person who gets to decide how long he's suspended for is Roger Goodell or a person that sits in for Roger Goodell. I can't think of the word. Right now you're going to have to look it up for yourself. And the person, the players, should be mad at is themselves because they did this to themselves by signing the collective bargaining agreement where it allows Roger Goodell to do such things. And Roger Goodell and the NFL, to be specific. Now that it's after 2 minutes, I can curse. So hold on to your seat, put on your headphones, and listen to me. Excuse me. The NFL is upset that Deshaun Watson only got 6 games. They wanted him to get a whole season. And because in the last collective bargaining agreement, the only thing players wanted was more of a split revenue and not to be suspended for weed. As soon as the NFL agreed to those two things, the players' union all decided, okay, we'll sign it. They forgot to read the fine print that says if any player gets in trouble and we don't like the suspension that's given her, we think it's too much, we can come in and do our own thing. And we being the NFL / Roger Goodell. So here are the people that are gonna Goodell or his designee will make the final decision on the Deshaun Watson suspension. The CBA is going to try to take this to court, but the judge is gonna say, what do you want me to do? You idiots agreed in the collective bargaining agreement. So this Deshaun Watson is now completely fucked because of the NFL, PA, and because of his own ignorance. can because the NFL is a bunch of bitter old white men. That last thought is just my opinion. You know. Sorry I'm coughing so much. But mostly bitter old white men. This is the same NFL that wanted to suspend Tom Brady a whole season for the Flakegate. But that went through a federal court back before this new CBA was signed. That's the difference. Don't sign something without reading the whole thing. Deshaun Watson, I'm sorry, brother, but you're about to be screwed over. Or just screwed. And with that being said, until the next video, God first, God bless, stay safe, stay out of trouble, and until the next one, I'm out. Peace.